really late, but it's late January. I haven't been doing this a lot. I've been kind of busy with work and everything else kind of going on, everybody else in the off season too. Video hasn't posted up yet, but as a lot of you guys know, put a hole in the kayak, had to go down, get a new one. That's going to be a cool video when we get it all put together. Big shout out to the guys at OMTC for helping me out with that. But listen, today we'll do a mystery tackle box unboxing. This is my January box. It's a late video, I know. But hey, for 2021, this is what we're going to do. We're going to give away every single box for the next 12 months. All you got to do is like and subscribe. We'll tell you a little bit more about it, but here we go. The first thing we're going to do is look at the bait card. This is the bait card for January. So the first bait we got is the Googan Squad Banger. It's in Sexy Shad. Here, I am going to take it out. I promise if you win this box, like, I put everything back right. The square bail crankbait. It's got some good hooks though on it too. I hope you can see some good hooks on it. So anyway, I think it rattles too. Yeah, it's got a little knocker in it. So that bait retails for $7.99. Next one we got is a Westin stickworm. This guy here. Hey, the packaging is pretty cool on it. I like that all these things now come in this hard plastic, so that way that it doesn't get form fitted. You know what I mean? Like you buy some of that stuff, and like the tail's all like in one direction. Oh, this is kind of neat, man. Worm. Except it's super flat on the bottom, okay? So it's like, if you look up the Z-Man black and blue laminate that they've got for their Zinkers, this is almost done the same way. The bottom part is all black with blue fleck, and the top part is all the blue with all the blue fleck in it. So it's got that two-tone color in it. A little gap there for your hook to go through to catch on. Okay, up next is the 10,000 fish Sakushi bug. We've had this before in a couple boxes. This is actually a pretty cool color too. It's like half pumpkin red fleck and the other half like a baby crawl or a blue crawl on the bottom of it. Next one is, hey, if you have not seen these before, the Savage craws, these things are awesome. Savage Gear 4D crawl, these things are super cool. I don't want to risk like pulling a flange off of it or anything, so, and it's packaged up pretty good. So the guy that wins this box, just so you know, we're not going to touch that. So this looks like it's in a blue crawl too. Front and back on it. Magic crawl. Some straight spear point hooks. And okay, so the big bait in this box is a Lucky John flat crank for $9.99. This, it's just a flat-sided crankbait. There you go, like that. A lot of rattle in that one. This was listed as the big bait, but I'm going to tell you what I think the most exciting bait in this box is. So this is the tightrope, the little Finesse Jig. And I am going to take this one out of the package, so if you do win this, just know that we took care of it when we took it out of the package and put it back in. When I first read up about it, it's a 1/4 ounce jig, and I thought, you know, pretty typical. They said, hey, it's going to have a small hook on it. Of course, in my mind, I'm thinking everybody, you know, those lead poured, hand poured, like little bitty jig heads that you kind of picture in your head as a 1/4 ounce jig head for crappie fishing. That was like the first place that my mind went with this. But when I got it, and I opened up the box and got to taking a look at it and then doing some research on it, like on the internet. Hook keeper on it, quality hook keeper. Looks like some of the Z-Man hook keepers, you know, keep your bait on the end of that. It's a translucent weed guard, little Finesse ball jig. I'll be honest with you, man, I saw that and I was like, dude, I've got to own a few of those. So anyways, I'm going to put this one back in the box, and then it's going to go out with whoever wins the box. Okay, here's what you got to do. We're going to do this for the whole year of 2021. So all you have to do is like the video, be a subscriber, and then comment down below, and it could be something just as simple as tell me what you think your favorite bait in here was. So like it, subscribe, leave a comment, bonus points if you share it, and then what I'll do is I'll let this video run for about 2 weeks, and then at the end of the 2-week period we'll randomly select a winner. I'll get a hold of you via your email address or something like that. Drop a comment down below, let you know that hey, we got a winner, and then I'll ship the box off to you. So hey, listen, thanks a lot for watching the video, you guys. I don't need to be your favorite channel, I just want to be a channel you like to watch. So we'll see you next time. Bye.